Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to be talking about how you find paragraph mark symbols in Scrivener. This very simple thing isn't immediately obvious. If you don't know what you're looking for, you probably won't find it. The first thing to note is that Scrivener doesn't call them paragraph marks or symbols. They call them invisibles, which makes sense because they are hidden. To show these marks, go to the Format menu, down to where it says Options, and then the pop-up over to the right will have Show Invisibles. It's a simple toggle on, toggle off procedure. Select it, and your paragraph marks, your spaces, and all the other little symbols you get in your text will be visible. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, why not subscribe to see all future videos that I might do on Scrivener. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.